This is day 20 of our 30-day video challenge. And today we are continuing on the furniture build that we started a couple videos back. We'll link that in the description in case you want to see the beginning of that project. We're continuing on with it today, and the reason that there's been a gap in the time frame is our Lowe's has been sold out of the specific plywood that we needed for almost a month now. So if you missed it this weekend, we went and took a trip to Lowe's, just one town over, and got everything we needed there. So today we're back in action, and hopefully we're gonna make some big progress on this one this week. Where's your other pocket hole, Jake?
My wife left it at home. Troubles of having a wife that takes your tools home and leaves them at the workshop.
That doesn't even make any sense.